Bengaluru received 104 mm of rain in just 24 hours, causing severe flooding across multiple zones. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah called it an unexpected downpour and cancelled his visit to affected areas, citing concern that his presence could inconvenience residents further. Instead, he reviewed the crisis virtually from the BBMP's Integrated Command and Control Center and promised a full city inspection post the Sadhana Samavesha in Hospete. The CM revealed that Bengaluru has 859.90 km of stormwater drains. Of this, 491 km have retaining walls. 195 km are under construction and 173 km are being remodeled with a World Bank loan. He said 210 low-lying flood-prone areas have been identified. Work is complete in 166, ongoing in 24, and will start soon in the remaining 20. Deputy CM and Bengaluru Development Minister D.K. Shivkumar joined the review and said, "Bengaluru is of great concern to me. It's the law of nature to rain, but we are taking every measure to improve the city," he added. "Since I took over as Bengaluru Development Minister, flooding issues in 166 locations, 70% of all affected areas have been resolved." He said 2,000 crore rupees is being spent on stormwater drain works and 197 km of drains have already been built. Of the 132 flood-prone traffic zones, 82 have been fixed and work is underway in the rest. Reacting to Kumaraswamy's Looter Bengaluru remark, Shivkumar said the opposition is desperate and challenged them to a public debate. "We will show them what we have done. Bengaluru is disorganized, but we are fixing it," he asserted. The state government assured Bengalurians that major improvements are in progress and that the city won't have to suffer every monsoon.
Day after tomorrow, I am going round the Bengaluru city along with D.K. Kumar, who is a Bengaluru Development Minister and also Deputy Chief Minister. So I visit all the places wherever affected areas are there and wherever water is entered the roads and given problems to the public, and all those places I am visiting, and I will instruct the concerned officers to take up the works immediately. We have prepared very well. Our teams are on the sites. Earlier there was about 210 pinpoints where we had to be very cautious that we had identified. Last one and a half year, I think more than 164 places we have already identified and we have cleared their points, and only 44 are been left. In 44, 24 work is been going on and still 20 has to be planned in a systematic way. Here there are three important major issues. One, before I went under a railway bridge, railway track, we have taken the support of the railway authorities and we have to give them the responsibility also. We both are jointly working out on that work. If that work is been done almost in the northern Bangalore, almost the one major issues will be sorted out. Today we have received about 104 mm of water. Rain has come maximum, and today also my Chief Minister was supposed to visit few places since still it was raining too much and it is the traffic time. He has postponed this visit for day after tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to, all of us are going to Vijayanagar. The traffic police also had given us 137 points. We have also cleared 82 of them and things are going. Every year almost 70% the works have been completed. We have a great concern for Bangalore. It is our bound duty to keep all of them safe. Rain, it is a nature, a law of nature. Definitely, it is our bound duty to protect every common man, citizen, and we are at it. Only one death has happened. Still, I am unfortunate. A wall has been fallen on her while she was walking, or we don't know. It is in a private property. It has been fallen in the Whitefield area, in a private property. Maybe some war, maybe. So government, our corporation is looking at. So I think some of you raised about some opposition questioning that. Naturally, they will do it. They will try to create more things. But we are more committed. We have sorted the problem. You just go to the earlier records at their regime. What type of problems were there? Now, day by day, we are improving. And almost the entire Bangalore city, we are taking up all the storm water drains. We are completing it. We have taken up more than, we are spending in a very huge way, more than 200 kilometers.
173 kilometers.
173 kilometers.
195 is going undergoing, sir.
197 is going on. About it's 2,000 crores we are investing only on that. We'll be completing. Some suggestions have come in some places. Still, we have to take it a little bit deeper. We will look at it technically also. We will look at it. We are bound to it. We will look at it. And I request all the citizens of Bangalore not to be panicked. We are more concerned. We know the image and we know the problems of Bangalore. We are at it.
सर मಳೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
बार बार सिद्धरामैया और डीके शिव कुमार के मुंह में ग्रेटर बेंगलुरु के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा सुनते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन पिछले 2 साल में जो भी बेंगलुरु का हाल है और बुरा हो चुका है, पिछले 2 साल में कुछ किया नहीं राज्य सरकार ने। जब भी डीके शिव कुमार बात करते हैं, अंडरग्राउंड टनल रोड के बारे में बात करते हैं, टॉलेस्ट टावर के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन जब भी मानसून शुरू होता है, बेंगलुरु में पूरा पानी भर के देखे कल 3 लोग मर चुका है। सो किसको जिम्मेदारी लेना है इसके बारे में? सो इसलिए मैं आग्रह करता हूं राज्य सरकार को, खासकर डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर डीके शिव कुमार को, उधर हॉस्पिटल में बैठ के 2 साल कंप्लीशन होने का जो मजा उड़ा रहा है, वो सब छोड़ के इधर बेंगलुरियंस का जो प्रॉब्लम है, जो हालात है, उसको देखना चाहिए। इस प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन निकलना चाहिए।
क्या आपको लगता है सर कि जिस वक्त बेंगलोर डूब रहा है, उस वक्त में राहुल गांधी भी वहाँ मौजूद है? 2 साल की उपलब्धियों
सिर्फ बेंगलुरु जो डूब रहा है, इसके बारे में राज्य सरकार को, मुख्यमंत्री को, उप मुख्यमंत्री को कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है। जब बेंगलुरु आता है, रियल एस्टेट में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं डीके शिव कुमार और सिद्धरामैया। जहाँ तक डेवलपमेंट काम का सवाल निकलता है, देखिए अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का पेमेंट नहीं हुआ है। जो डेवलपमेंट वर्क बीजेपी सरकार था, जो कामगारी डेवलपमेंट वर्क चल रहा था, सब कुछ बंद हो चुका है। क्यों? क्योंकि पैसा नहीं दिया है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को पेमेंट नहीं मिलने की वजह से पूरा काम इधर ही रुक गया है। इसके कारण से इधर पानी पूरा भर गया था कल।
गवर्नमेंट ने 2 ईयर से सर्वे कर रहे थे बेंगलुरु में, बहुत
ये पूरा पागलपन है। कल भी मैं मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री को सलाह दिए थे, मैं और हमारा अशोक विपक्ष के नेता। जब पूरा बेंगलुरु डूब चुका है, इस समय में उधर हॉस्पिटल में जाके 2 साल का सेलिब्रेशन करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। इसके अलावा इधर बेंगलुरु में आना चाहिए। जो समस्या है, समस्या को सुलझाने के लिए कदम उठाना चाहिए राज्य सरकार को।